Hi friends, today I am going to tell you a story about the letter L. So, let's start. Look who's riding in the L train car today. It's a little lion cub, Leo the lion. Leo may be small, but he's full of curiosity and courage. Today, he spotted something special sitting on a big green leaf. Can you guess what it is? It's a ladybug, a lovely little ladybug with red wings and black dots. L is for lion, Leo says proudly, and L is also for leaf and ladybug. Tickly, laughs Leo. You're quite the traveler too, little ladybug. Leo looks at the leaf swaying in the breeze and says, "Let's learn more L words." What else can you think of that starts with L? How about lollipop, lighthouse, or laughter? But today, Leo says, I learned that the little things, like a ladybug on a leaf, can bring the biggest smiles. And just like that, Leo the lion waves goodbye as the L train rolls along to the next stop. L is for lion, leaf, and ladybug. 3 lovely little friends on a learning adventure.